my soul. Give me such a high. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. Give me such a high.
Hey, it's Mahana. So today I'm going to be packing for China. Just yesterday I was downtown for a meeting. I got some tips, and one of the items that I'm going to be packing, you wouldn't even believe. I'm going to save it for the end, and let me know if you knew this or not. But yeah, I was asked to pack this item because it's an essential item. Some parts of China don't even have it. It's a business trip I'm going on, so there's going to be some meetings, but there's going to be lots of leisure time, and because my industry is beauty, that includes attending an expo. And if you love beauty like I do, awesome. It's my industry, and I'm sure in my upcoming vlogs I'm going to show you some real eye candy. Speaking of China, the last time I was there was 6 years ago, and I remember picking up this doll. It's called a Wink doll. They call her Lucy. It's a Wink doll. They call her Lucy. And you know what? If I get a chance, I'm gonna see if they still make this, and I would love to pick up a friend for her, because I remember there being a series of this. It's actually a perfume bottle, a cute little perfume bottle, and I've kept it. I haven't used it. It's not bad, but I like more the look of it and the fact that we can collect these, and they're so cute. I mean, but let's get packing. You want to help mommy pack? Oh my gosh. So my luggage has gone through a serious beating last year with all the travel, and as you can see, all of these marks are from being thrown on that conveyor belt, and I certainly don't want to travel this way. I'll see how many of these marks I can remove, and the first thing I thought of was a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Let's see how well it might work. I think about 80% of the marks are gone, and they look almost brand new. Almost.
Comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. Give me such a high. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. Give me such a high. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul.
She was able to find me this luggage rack from Amazon and this wardrobe rack. So I have already gone ahead and sorted out everything that I want to be taking on the trip with me to China. It's winter there, so and it's winter here too, so I was able to easily pick out some things and even purchase some new things for the trip. But I'm thrilled to have this rack. It allows me to separate all of what's going with me onto its own rack, and even give me a visual on everything, because I like to see what all is going with me so that I don't duplicate any of the efforts. Also in the room, I have laid out some of my cosmetics over there, my carry-on bag items, and some of my purses and shoes. So we'll take a closer look at everything. First of all, the luggage rack is perfect because I don't have to use up space on my bed. As you can see, I like to use it to organize some of my other items, and have a dedicated space for my luggage to sit while I bring everything over. Some of the shoes I'm taking are just 3 pairs, a casual pair that I will travel in and see where else it might be needed, and 2 little ankle boots here, a leather one for rainy days, and if I get dry weather, I have this cute nylon set. For purses, I have a standard, very professional black Prada. A couple of these furry guys. This one Yasmin got for me for Christmas. This is actually a great carry-on. I might even use it on the way there. It goes really well with the casual shoes over there, and then a Tory Burch crossover. This should definitely be enough. It allows me to stay professional and trendy at the same time. For my wardrobe, I have some professional wear here. I do have a number of meetings, so I have things here that are cute and trendy, some bright colors and some colors that will definitely work for the winter season there. And I wish I could do a try on here, but what I'll do in China is definitely vlog all of the outfits, and you'll be able to see me in them at that time. This is a great little mulberry color, a neon blazer to go over this really cute romper. I have a second romper, a powder pink one, and then this really cute sheer jacket, if you will. So when the weather isn't too cool, I think I'd like to see myself in this. This is one of the dresses, again from Rose. I ordered 8, kept 3 of them, and sent 5 back. But this has a bow on the side of one shoulder, and it's actually really cute on. So I'll have to show you that. Really like the tulip sleeves, definitely a conversation piece. On the casual side, or I would expect evening dinners or just casual wear, casual, not so casual. This cute little sweater with ostrich feather over one shoulder. It goes great with this A-line bandage material skirt. There's a dress here with a very interesting sleeve with some lace and some frill over here. And if it's super cool, I have something to go over it and stay warm. Some casual sweaters, so I always like there to be something to it, and sleeves really do the job of making them very unique. And so this casual shirt here with these velour pants for, I don't know, just running around or whenever I want to be a bit more comfortable but not too dressed down. This is a crossover jean jacket, and I think I'm going to travel in it more than likely with this dress here, maybe with some tights under or something or other. This I might travel back in. It's a sweater shirt, it's cute, and I always like some pleats or ruffles on the sleeve. This is something from Guess from years ago, and it actually fits a lot better these days, so I'm excited to wear this. And I could probably do it over one of the black dresses that I am taking over. So the other rosy dress that I kept was this gray one, super casual and dressy at the same time. I don't have too many things that are this, you know, this sweatshirt gray material, but this fits beautifully and has a couple of parts that are sheer on the sleeves, along with some frills. I believe I have enough mix and match opportunities here, so it's just a week and a bit the trip, and I believe I have plenty there to work with. And all of these shoe selections and purse selections should definitely go well with all of the pieces I chose. For my cosmetics, I have this great little organizer here with lots of compartments, so I'll put everything in here from my toothbrush to just a little bit of jewelry. I'm really looking forward to wearing these earrings here after a very big beauty company and going into an expo also, so I'll be around a lot of beauty organizations, so hopefully they'll appreciate that. Some of my standard makeup, from my Studio Fix to the Dermacol very high coverage foundation. So I have a mix of everything, and between my Morphe palette and my Lorac Gold palette, I should have enough to do on my eyes. hairbrush, and a cute little emergency kit that has everything from band-aids to a sewing kit. Hand sanitizer, of course. For my carry-on item, I have this great little carry-on bag here. I have 2 of these that I like to take to trade shows. Actually, it's this rose gold finish, and it goes with my luggage really well. There's a compartment here with some basic travel medication and some snacks. It's a long flight, and you never know what might be available. Of course, I need a notebook and a very sparkly pen. This wireless LG headset, and I have my charger in there. Of course, I have to remember to take my phone, my laptop, and a travel neck pillow. If you saw the vlog of me purchasing this, you know that it folds into this little sack here, so it wouldn't take up too much space at all. Some Air Canada earplugs, a selfie stick, of course, an international adapter because China, according to here, Australia, New Zealand, Fiji Islands, where I was born, and China, where I'm going, are all this kind of a plug. And all of mine are just Canadian right now, so this has me covered. Product that we made a couple years ago, and it lights up to give you great selfies. So I'm going to use that during the trip for sure. All right, I better get packing. So I pretty much packed everything, and what I've done is I've used the 2 pieces of luggage to separate the professional wear and casual wear, all the shoes and purses, to just divide them. So worst case scenario, if one bag goes missing, hopefully I would have the other one at least and be a combination of things to wear. Okay, I'm completely packed. I added some pajamas and some undergarments in there, and I'm pretty well good to go. But you wouldn't believe the very last item I have to pack. So in China, in some public places, they do not have toilet paper. So I was asked to make sure that I pack a few rolls, and hopefully this is enough. If not, I will purchase locally because I can't even imagine. I've picked out my outfit. Don't worry, these shoes are brand new, so that's why it's okay on the bed. I have my socks and my travel outfit ready to go for the morning. My shuttle is coming nice and early. Now, this is just a rack that I got for this purpose, for hanging up all of my travel outfits. But now that it's empty, I'm going to be using it actually in the nursery to organize the baby's clothes for the week, so I'll show you that. Well, you're a bit late. I'm done packing. Come, let's go do your outfits for the week. Come. When mommy travels, baby's outfits have to be planned. This makes it so much easier for daddy to choose a sleeper for nighttime and an outfit of choice for daytime. I've tucked in some matching bottoms in each of those. And this should be plenty for when I have returned back. Some baskets at the bottom with towels and socks. There's plenty more within the wardrobe, but I put some out handy for daddy. But you can't. I made sure diapers and wipes are all stacked up as well. And a caddy here with some of the essentials, making it, again, much easier for Daddy. And now, so these are all your outfits for the week, okay?
Mommy!
Yeah, because Mom's going to China.
Mommy!
And I's wearing her Kate Spade Going Places shirt. She's so used to traveling with me all of last year that she thinks she's coming to China, but sorry, honey, you are staying behind. At least you have cute little outfits to look forward to. Which one you want to wear tomorrow?
Yeah.
That one with the cats? What does the cat say? Meow? Maybe that one? How about Tuesday? That's for Tuesday. And Wednesday? Also just completed some meal planning for the baby and the family and printed these out. There's a checklist to help out, and this will help Yasmin and Cash, but it'll also give me a peace of mind. And I'm going to be missing Yasmin's 14th birthday. Super sad about that. We'll definitely celebrate when we get back. So meal planning, all done. So there you go, I'm all done. I'm packed, the baby's wardrobe and meal planning for the family is all put together. I get too much sleep now, but that's okay. It's a 14-hour flight. I would probably be sleeping for half of that. Subscribe, you're gonna wanna follow my vlogs.